So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and send emails from a different address in Gmail. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. And so this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is open any browser that you prefer and then simply go ahead and log into your Gmail account. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the gear icon right over here. Now simply click on see all settings, and as you can see you're going to be on this tab. Click on accounts and import, and once you've done that, simply go ahead and look for send mail as right over here, and then you can click on add another email right over here. And once you simply go ahead and log in into another email of your own, well, then you can simply go ahead and compose another mail, and then it will be sent from that another mail. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.